Good morning, Judd here. Early morning, Homosassa, Citrus County. Came out to check my flowers and look what I found. No idea where he came from, how he got here. Maybe he was hanging out under the house. But he's just sitting there nice and relaxed. Beautiful little specimen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I've disturbed him. It's okay. We're cool. We're cool. He's maybe 8 inches long. The shell. Okay, good. Almost scared. Whoop, up, nope. What's he doing? I'm moving away from him and he moves. Okay, what's he gonna do? I think he's gonna go back under the house. Maybe he's living under my house. Huh. Cool. Oh, there he is. It's pretty good for low light. It's very dark under there. Yeah, okay, cool. Well, I don't really want to disturb him anymore. But the other thing I want to show you is my plumeria here is really kicking it. Okay, all 4 tips, 5. Okay, 4 of the 5 tips have big leaves on them now. The 5th one is lagging a little bit. But notice it's not only got the leaf, it's got this green cap growing on there. And now if we go over to this one, this is the biggie. Okay, say big green cap, and then 3 big leaves. I mean hand size. Okay, the others are a little behind that. That's the leader. But that's looking good. That's looking good because I didn't know if that one was going to come back. Okay, and then down here, my good old prickly pear. Those are the little ones. Those new paddles, whatever, are almost as big as the old ones. There's the first one out with the wave in it. Okay, look at that. Ooh, baby. And over there, that's the 90-degree out one. Right? So you can see they're almost like old timers now, those 2 big ones. But that's looking good. So there you go. That's the morning report. Happy day.